Hey there, my name's Matt, and today I'm here to tell you a bit about being a plumber and what you can expect if you become one too. My main job is installing, repairing, and maintaining systems that carry water and waste. Whether that's fixing a leaky pipe or repairing a water heater, there's always something new and challenging to work on. The demand for plumbers is constantly growing, which makes it a really stable career choice. And with more and more buildings being constructed every single day, there will always be a need for skilled plumbers. One of the most rewarding aspects for me as a plumber is the sense of achievement that you get from helping solve people's problems. Whether that's unclogging a drain or installing a new fixture, you're actually making a difference in people's lives. And for someone like me, that gives me a great sense of achievement. Another great thing about being a plumber is the variety of work. No 2 days are ever the same, and you never know what you're going to be working on next. And I really love those situations where problem solving is involved, like an emergency leak that needs to be fixed. So if you're looking for a hands-on and rewarding career that offers stability, job satisfaction, and variety, give plumbing a go. Trust me, you won't regret it.